How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing a hand grip workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So we'll be doing 200 pounds of resistance. We'll do 8 reps. Let's get started. Boom, first set done. Again, I do my hair in the morning. I put hair gel on. It makes my grip super duper slippery. So kind of sucks, but I still got the 10 reps in. For some reason today, I've been getting extremely frustrated. It took almost 15 minutes to upload one of my videos. For some reason, it just would not upload. And then finally, it did upload. What I have to do sometimes is I have to switch my Wi-Fi from on to off and then just allow it to upload like that. But that can use quite a bit of data, so it's really weird. What I do is when it's almost uploaded, it freezes and then I have to get rid of the Wi-Fi, and then in like 2 seconds, it'll download. So very, very weird, really making me angry, and I'm just happy I got that first vid out of the way. Ideally, I started at 8 o'clock. It's 8:25. I should have been done that first video by about 8:15, 10 after 8. Whatever, it is what it is. What I do now is I just make 9 videos per day, and that is it. I don't try to make more than that. And yeah, so I mean, it is what it is. Just gonna keep trucking along. Let's do another 8. So basically by making 9 per day, what that does is 9 times 30, about 30 days in a month. Sometimes there's 31, we'll just say 30. 270 vids a month. That means, what was I gonna say? 270 vids a month. I only upload 90 per month. That means every month that goes by, I'll be 2 months ahead. So let's just say it's January and I do 9 vids per day. Well, by the end of January, I will be done the end of March. So that's still pretty good. 9 vids per day is pretty nice. I was doing 18 Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometimes 25, 30. That's a lot of production. I found that the weekends I wasn't having much time for myself. So I've kind of scaled it back a little bit. If you guys are watching this video is being uploaded August 10th at 8 p.m. Today's date is March 2nd. So that's how far ahead I am. If I keep doing this by the end of March, I will be done August and September. Yes, by the end of March, I'll be done August and September. By the end of April, I should be done October, November, maybe December, depending if I increase my videos a little bit more. But again, end of April, I'll be May, June, July, August, September, October, November, almost 8 months ahead. So, I mean, that gives me a big window in case anything happens. And the reason why I'm doing this is because there have been times, actually one time in October and November 2019, where I was not motivated to make videos. And what happened is I made one video. I made one video every other day, or one video every 2, 3, 4 days. So in those 2 months, October and November, I think I made, how many vids did I make? I would say about 30 vids, which is awful. Considering now I make in 2 months 180. So that is okay. Stuff like that does happen, and you're not gonna be perfect on YouTube. But again, the reason why I've scheduled this far ahead is because in case anything happens, again, I'm this far ahead. So I have lots of room in case something happens. We'll do another 8 and then we're done. Okay, just like that, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.